We are now after earning. NVDA is crashing. Look at this, 7% down, $116 after market hours post earnings. And we're gonna see what Market Chameleon gave us, because if you did what you should have done, that is not buying call option 130 calls, a lot of you did it as retail, you lost a lot of money there. That's not good. That's not good. You had a lot of selling option income opportunities. We're gonna go over this in a minute, so let's get going, see what we see. And let's start with the disclaimer. No, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Let's get started. So this whole week is just NVIDIA non-stop. People are betting and betting, and the more you bet, the more you will lose. So start selling options for income. Make the odds in your favor, not a financial advice. So if you saw my videos in the last couple of days, you had a lot of options to play with. There was the condor. Let's see what condors we have now. This is not updated. This is for like 4 p.m. before the market close. But we had, I think 2 days ago, remember there was I don't know, 111 to 140 range, something like that. We had also the put credit spread, 113, 111. Even after 7%, and the market haven't opened yet, and this will close on Friday. And there was also the 103, 101. There were so many options. If you go to a bull put spread, let's see what we got. This is again before the close. You see this 111, 109. That is absolutely crazy. 105, 100. So even if NVIDIA fell down 7%, you still collected, I don't know, $30 compared to zero. Do 10 of those. 10 of those, you could have risked 111 minus 109, $200 minus 30, let's say. That's $170. 10 of those, that's risking 1,700. Collect $300 in like 2 days. Happy camper. 99% win rate, and move on. That's it. That was the trade. Even if you want to collect even more, but just wait another 2 weeks, collect $50 again compared to zero. And this is just looking at Market Chameleon before the earning. This was before 4 p.m. Look at this. Sell the 105, buy the 100. As long as NVIDIA above 105 by September 13, $50. And if you just want to do the Friday, as long as NVIDIA stays above 111, that's money. That is money. And most of you just bought call option. Let's see what we got. Just wondering for call options. Long call. This got decimated. 135. 135 calls. Are you kidding me? $320 when the price was 125. And a day before, yesterday, it was the price was like 127, something like that, 128. And the 130 calls went for $6. $600 where your break even is 136. People lost so much money just betting on NVIDIA. Don't forget, this is a 3.1 trillion market cap. So this is for NVIDIA. Let's see by top 3 by win rate. See what we got. 99%. Yeah, this was the trade of the day. 99% historical win rate. Sell the 111, buy the 109, and it still has like $7 to go in the next, I don't know, until Friday basically. This one has this is called I don't like the debit. I don't know. And this one is the 105, 100. Yeah, we only talk about that. As I said, if you go to unusual option activity, let's see here, unusual option activity, there was no NVIDIA. There was nothing here that suggests, hey, institutions are buying calls. If you change by market cap, you see here just Berkshire Hathaway B. There was nothing that says, hey, NVIDIA is going to 140, 150. There was the Condor, the 111, 140, something like that. Many opportunities that are just to sell options for income. this is what you could have done. But of course, just learn how to basically learn how to trade for income, not just for gambling. Let's see here something interesting in the option market. If we got anything in here, let's go here. Net delta, there we go, 1.1 million. Chewy, okay, Chewy already posted earnings, so I don't care about that. See if there's anything interesting. Financial sector, Kellanova, remember this trade? Still at 80 bucks. This was from like 3 weeks ago when it was 71, 72. The trade was 75 call, something like that. It went to 80 for a buyout. That's crazy. Urban Outfitter, I don't know. They posted earning. Oh, okay, interesting. Icon, Enterprise, Lifestyle. Okay, I need to take a look, but there's a lot of bigger in the billions. And what is this? This is Granite share 2 times short NVDA. Interesting. Look at this. NVDA short 2x. Okay, 70 million market cap, asset management. Look at this, 3 times the bullish, 150%. That means that people bought the. Interesting. So the stock is NVDA, which is 2x short. Look at this, 2x short, 15% after hours. That is crazy. People know. Who bought that? Bought calls. Okay, the $1 call for September. What's the price? The price is 173, 199. Interesting. I don't know how they play this, but if you see institution, small retail is short, meaning they're betting against that, meaning they're betting that NVIDIA will go up. So small retail and retail got dead, obliterated, as they say. Professional, if you go, look at this, long. And long in here, this was a sign. If you pay attention to the unusual market activity today, you could have seen this coming. Unbelievable. That is unbelievable. So they bought calls, the $1 call for September, the $3 call. This is, but the volume is 24,000 compared to 60,000 in option contracts. $2 calls for all September. So we got 1, 2, 3. Interesting. And this is October, that doesn't really matter. So we got $1, $2, $3 calls. We are only at 2. So $3 calls in the money, it's another 50%, which means NVIDIA needs to drop 25%. I don't know about that, but 15% is, that's a lot. And I think the institution did it because all the other one, like the 2x NVDL, NVDU, I think, people know about it. This one is interesting. Granite shares 2x NVIDIA daily NVD. This is the ticker symbol. I don't know how long it's been in business, but 15% up after hours. Depends. Tomorrow is gonna be a very, very interesting day. If you just refresh, let's see what we got in here. We got NVIDIA, CRM, CrowdStrike, Affirm. So I don't know what's going on there. Not gonna check, but look at this, 116. You still could have made money selling far out of the money put credit spread because the implied volatility was absolutely bonkers with this, because as I said, retail just bought 130, 135 call options and hope and pray for the price to go up. If this was valuable, check the NVD. Let's see this one. If this was from the unusual option activity. Look at this price, already $2 up 16%, 66 million under management. Is this a new thingy? Let's see when they started. Yeah, they just, okay, so they launched a year ago when the video was in here. Interesting. Okay, good to know. Market Chameleon, 7 days trial, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.